Hi everybody, and welcome to the drawing for Steampunk Your Art. This is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts group. Now this is the drawing for the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group entries. Now we're doing this a day early on Saturday the 30th instead of tomorrow the 1st, because as you know, December 1st is the beginning of our Terry's Crafty Christmas collaboration. So you want to make sure to check out the two welcome videos tomorrow, one by me and one by Natalie, and then you can see how to get in the drawings and enter all the fun. Mine will be that, and then Natalie's will be the first challenge, and she's going to talk a little bit about the event as well. So onward and upward. Now the number of entries, as we know how I do this, I use a database. It's easier, or a numbered list, actually, it's easier. And we have 172 entries, so I entered 172 over here, and the lower limit is 1. This is from a previous drawing. So we're going to generate, the prizes are, first place is 3 junk journal kits from LineDotArrow. Second place is 2 junk journal kits from LineDotArrow. And third place is 1 junk journal kit from LineDotArrow. Okay, so we're going to go for prize number 3. And that's number 116. Oops, I went right past it. And that's Louise. Oh, I'm sorry, Lois. I call you Louise all the time, and there's no E on the end of your name. That is Lois. Okay, so that's third. Second place for 2 junk journal kits is number 100. And that's Dorothy. Congratulations, Dorothy. And Lois. Okay, and the first place prize for 3 junk journal kits is number 82, which is Carol Thornhill. I'm not sure that Carol's ever won before. Now, to claim your prize, just message me to claim your prize. Tell me which Facebook group you're in, because remember I have 3. So tell me what Facebook group you're in and what place you won, and I will send you the information on how to claim your prize. Now, if you don't use Messenger, that's fine. You can email me at sweetpeapapers2020@gmail.com. And you'll see all this on the screen right now as you're listening to it. Okay, well, that's it for this drawing. We're going to do them short and sweet this time. Don't forget to check out the Terry's Crafty Christmas event. Say that 10 times fast. Starting tomorrow and going through December 25th. Okay, thanks a lot, you guys.